confident that you're harnessing the energy, just look at me. Send as though you were sending to a client in a distance healing session. You can imagine, you can visualize stepping into the field. You can bring your hands either side of the temple and you can begin your count. Move down to the TMJ. Move down to the clairaudient points. And you can move down over the cloud. Now, it is not necessary to follow the protocol if you are confident that you don't need to follow the protocol. If you want to follow the protocol, then do that. Some people will create on a massage table some kind of body that they want to follow, and you can certainly do that. Or you can visualize, as I do. Sometimes I stand here and I have them move the body to me. So if I'm doing then the body is moving under my hand, and that's how I visualize it, because I quite like to engage in the process and in the energy myself. Whichever way it is that you choose to direct the energy. Alright, okay. So now just bring yourself back to center. Ground yourself. Visualize coming into the temple, step into the field, and visualize coming into the temple. Down to the TMJ. And down to the clairaudient points. If you want to go through more steps, then you can. Or you could try just imagining that you're beaming the energy directly to the recipient. healing happens much more quickly than a regular healing session. Generally speaking, you can feel the energy for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then it just seems to stop and it's done. Yeah. But very often if you check with your client later and